and I'm gonna do a Ayurvedic syrup which includes multiple ingredients, and the syrup is used to treat a cold and cough. Come on, let's go into the video to know what are the processes and ingredients used. Come on, let's go. For making this Ayurvedic syrup, the ingredients we are using are 50 grams black pepper, 4 Karpooravalli leaves, 4 Duduvali leaves, some amount of tulasi, 50 grams of long pepper, 50 grams of cloves and 2 dry gingers and some honey, and we should put it in the pestle and make it as a powder form, which is ready to put into the water. Then we should add 600 milliliter of water to the vessel. After the water gets boiled for some time, we should add the powder. The powder we made already with the peppers. Next, we need to add the leaf items that are Navarapachali leaf, Duduvali leaf and Tulasi leaves. Next, we should stir it for often we need to stir it until it gets boiled for half an hour. After boiling, we should make it cool for some time. Then we should filter the syrup and remove all the contaminants. After filtering it, we should add the honey to that syrup. We are adding honey for the sweetness and for the preservation. Then finally, our herbal syrup is ready for use.